Hi everybody, I am Pius and today I am going to be sharing with you long division. Remember, when dealing with long division, there are some steps we have to follow. The first step is a division, the second step is multiplication, the third step is a subtraction. If the number is still big, you regroup. After regrouping, you come to division, multiplication, subtraction. You continue just like that until you reach the final answer. Here we have been given the number, which is a 456 divided by 8. Let us handle it very fast and we see how best we can beat it. So we are having 8 and here we are having 456. As I told you that we go step by step. So we go this step, and then this step. We are going to move the rest steps. So the first step we ask ourselves, how many times does 8 enter into 4? Definitely 8 does not enter into 4 simply because it is smaller. So since it is smaller, it enters 0 times. The second step now here is going to be multiplication. We multiply our answer we have got here by 8. So 0 times 8, we get 0. After getting the 0, the next step is a subtraction. We are going to subtract 0 from 4 and the answer becomes 4. As I told you that we divide, multiply, subtract. When the number is still there, you regroup. Now we are going to regroup by adding another digit, which is now 5. So we ask ourselves again, how many times does 8 enter into 45? We are having 45 and we want to see how many times does 8 enter. Let us try to fix 8 for the first time. Let us fix 8 for the second time. What do we get? We come here to get 16. Let us fix 8 for another time. When we fix it, we come to discover that we are getting 24. Let us fix another 8. After fixing another 8, we come to discover that we are having 32. Let us fix another 8 because we have not reached 45. After fixing that, we discover that we are having 40. Here, when we fix another 8, we are going to be beyond our number, which is 45, which means we stop here. After stopping here, we count how many times has 8 entered into 45. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has entered 5 times. So we write that 5 here. The next step again is multiplication. We are now going to multiply 5 by 8 and we get 40. The next step I told you is going to be subtraction. Wonderful. So if at all is subtraction, we are having 5 minus 0. What do we get? Wonderful. We get 5. Then 4 minus 4. What do we get? We get 0. You are a very good learner. That's very wonderful. So we are going to continue by regrouping because the number is still there. So we regroup. After regrouping, we bring that 6 here. And we are having 56. Again, we ask ourselves, how many times does 8 enter into 56? We post the first time, we post for the second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time. We haven't reached 56 because we are now going to 56. Let's just continue fixing there. Let us fix another 8 and we see. Here we get 8, here we get 4. We haven't reached 56. Let us add another 8. When we fix another 8, we shall come to discover like here we are getting 6, here we are getting it, and we have reached exactly where we are going. So we count how many times has 8 entered into 56. We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It has entered 7 times. The next step is again multiplication. We multiply 7 by 8. Definitely we are going to get 56. What is the next step? The next step is a subtraction. Wonderful. So when we subtract it, 6 minus 6 we get 0. 5 minus 5 we get 0. This way, all the numbers are finished, which means we have finished to deal with the division of this number. So this one becomes the end of our. So we come and draw the conclusion. Therefore, 456 divided by 8, we get 57. This one becomes our answer. We underline it and we call it a solved problem. We don't need to waste much time. So for that matter, therefore, I would like to thank you for watching my video.